Snackies, welcome back. Guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Y'all, what's good? What's popping? So today, on this fabulous Friday, I come before you guys with a rematch. I told y'all it was coming. I talked to Queen Bees and she was like, yeah, you should redo it. So we here. This time I did not boil my shrimp. This time I actually sauteed them in a butter sauce. Previously I boiled them. But we're gonna go ahead and get this timer going, you know. I ain't even gonna try to hold it up here because y'all know last time it was gonna fall anyway. So we're just gonna put it on 10 minutes. 10 minutes, as you guys see. Let's go ahead and get this snacking down. This was cooked in a butter sauce, sauteed in a butter sauce, a spicy butter sauce. I actually put some of this in there and some of this one right here in my butter sauce when I sauteed it. So I have to suck. Shoot, hold on. Was it suck, peel, dip, eat? Okay, this is the second challenge that she did, guys, when she dipped it in the 2 times spicy sauce. Okay, so she sucked it, she peeled it, she dipped it, and she ate it. All right, y'all, on fake back. So I was right. So she just sucked it, peeled it, dipped it in the 2 times spicy sauce, and then ate it. 10 prawns, 10 minutes. Last time I only did 7 and I completely messed up the technique. This time your girl is ready. What's good? All right. Let's pour our sauce in here. Let's get our timer ready. It's on 10 minutes. I am not gonna keep this up the whole entire time. All right. Oh, let me take my probiotic shot before y'all eat these Asian spicy drinks. Get you some probiotic, okay? Let's go. Starting. All right. So, I wasn't ready for that. Ooh, that flavor is so good. The girl sauteed them things good. All right, let me shut up. Yeah. Okay. Chill. Some of my prawns ugly, y'all, because I did burn them. But let me be quiet. Focus. I think I can do it this time. I haven't eaten all that. Well, I had a piece of cake. That was it. Oh, okay. That splashed me in my face. My eyes getting red. Oh, it fell on my lap. Saved it. Oh. I have 5 minutes left. I'm crying, y'all. You got this, Shay. You got this. One more.
Bruh.
Last one. 1 minute and a half left. Oh, come on, come on. I have 31 seconds left. 20 seconds left. Woo! 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 Y'all, your girl went beast. I'm crying, my eyes red. And I'm not like making myself cry, like my eyes just teared up. That's the timer. Ooh, excuse me. This probably wasn't a good idea, being that this was the first meal that I ate today, y'all. Woo! But Queen B says, my girl, I love her so much. Oh, I can't even say so. I love her so much. And Queen, boo, I did this for you, okay? I hope you guys enjoyed it. Be who you are. Be beautiful. Don't forget to take care of yourself, because self-care matters. Shout out to our post notification person. I can't think. Y'all, I love y'all. Peace. What up, Snackies? Welcome back. Guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Y'all, what's good? What's poppin'? Today, I come before you guys with Queen B's 10 2-time spicy mega prawns in 10 minutes. Now, I have already seasoned and put the 2-time spicy on here. However, I am going to, you know, give y'all a little extra. Ooh. Okay. Give y'all a little extra. It like more than half of my bottle is already gone, because I put it in like a, what you call it? But there we go. Ooh. A lot came out that time too. Alright, y'all. So let me set this timer up. Okay. So y'all know, y'all have seen this. You have to suck, dip.
No ma'am. No ma'am.
Suck again and peel. I think that's right. So pick it up, suck it, dip it, suck it again, peel it, and then eat it. Okay, so we gonna, I don't know how I'm gonna leave this up here, because y'all, I don't think this even show. I might have to just use like the app, see if this hold it. All right, y'all, let's snack. Hopefully that don't fall. We gonna see. All right, so suck. Oh my. Ew. The flavor is so good on that 2-time spicy. Like, you could just taste the chicken. Oh my god. All right, peel. I think I'm doing this right, y'all. And I just rewatched the video. I done watched that video 3 times. Did she say dip again? And you say you gotta get all the meat out of it. Okay. Woo. Some of my prawns bigger than other ones. We just rolling with it, y'all. It went to sleep. Okay, we're gonna try to find a timer. Ooh, okay. So peel. Yeah, it was suck, peel, dip, eat. I'm splashing it everywhere. Yeah, this is how you do it. Suck, peel, dip, eat. When you bite the tail at the end, it pull all the meat out, y'all. My shrimp eaters know. I ain't put no makeup on because I already knew that was too loud. I think it's the lemon shrimp on here though. Wait a minute, y'all. Woo! Alright. So, ooh, that one got a whole bunch of juice in it. Hold on. Ooh, wee. So, dip. I mean, so dip, peel, bruh. Ooh. Woo! All right. That was 3. This is the 4th one, y'all. All right. Ah, dang, I did that backwards. All right, I gotta do that over. Dang. All right, this will just be that extra one that I had. Never mind. All right, so. Damn! Oh, shit. Oh. Oh, my gosh. All right, y'all. Ooh, suck, dip, suck, peel, dip. I should have had her video playing because I keep forgetting them. Excuse y'all out. I just watched this video again prior to sitting down. That spice make you forget everything. That was for y'all. Alright. I'm still gonna eat this one. I'll put some sauce on it right here. Peel, salt, peel, dip. Yeah, I hope I'm doing this right. But my stash This depleted my prawn stash. I don't know how much time I got left. My sinus is draining. Woo! Alright, y'all. I gotta keep count. Alright, that's 5. Ooh, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Alright. Dang, I keep forgetting. Alright, anyways. I think I was supposed to soak first, huh? Oh, that Chef Tino Lee tastes so good. Wait. Salt peel dip. There's some 2 times spicy sauce right here. It's coming to the back. I look pale. Woo! Alright. How much time you say we got? Y'all can't see this anyways. Okay, we got 1:40. It only at 6. Oh, shoot. I keep forgetting. Oh, I felt that in my nose. Y'all know people that don't know how to follow directions. No matter how many times you tell them. Oh my gosh. Okay. Salt peel dip. Oh, I think I was supposed to dip. Oh, bless me. That was that part of being a friend. Was I supposed to dip? So, dip again. Yeah, I done messed this all up. Alright, 8, 9. I didn't know that was like that. Alright, y'all. That's the timer. I only got 8 done. Oh my gosh, I need that water. Alright now, so I'm gonna go back and watch Queen B's video again for the 4th time. Let's see if I did this right. I definitely think I did it wrong. Let me see. So she picked up. Oh, I was supposed to dip first. So, okay. But see, the way that I was doing it, I was tasting that 2 times spicy right off the bat because I was sucking it first, then dipping it. Girl, y'all, Snackies, we messed this up. That's why I was around here about to choke. She picked it up, dipped, sucked. I did that for like 2 of them though, right? You remember when I thought I was messing it up? I was actually doing it right then. All right, y'all. Be who you are. Be beautiful. Take care of yourself because self-care matters. I love you guys to the moon and back. And our post notification will go here right now. Shouts out to you, boo. And until the next video, y'all. Love, peace, and hair oil. I'm trying to change up my outro. I'm going to get it together, y'all. So if y'all might see in a couple of videos, it's like little... we gonna see. I love you guys. Peace.